Okay, let me solve one more problem on calculation of new profit sharing ratio in respect of a retirement of a partner. Okay, so the problem is going to be forwarded to you. Please go through the problem, and the problem start like this. Lata, Abhishek and Apeksha are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3/8, 1/2 and 1/8. Lata retires and surrenders 2/3 of her share in favor of Abhishek and the remaining share in favor of Apeksha. Calculate new profit sharing ratio. So if you go through the problem, you can understand that here also they have not directly given how much share acquired or gained by remaining partners from the retiring partner. So here what the state is, Lata retires and surrenders 2/3 of her share, 2/3 of her share in favor of Abhishek. So how she is going to surrender, that has been given in the form of proportion that we have to consider so as to calculate the new profit sharing ratio. So first what has been given, that we are going to consider. The old share we want, the old profit sharing ratio has been given, that we are going to consider first. The old profit sharing ratio between Lata, Abhishek and Apeksha is 3/8, 1/2 and 1/8. This is the old profit sharing ratio, and out of that the first partner called as the Lata is going to retire. Lata is going to retire, that is fine. For the calculation sake, we are going to consider the old share of remaining partners only. That is fine. The old share of Abhishek is 1/2. 1/2. Likely, the old share of Apeksha is 1/8. 1/8. And if you go through the problem, how much share acquired has not been given directly. It has been given in the form of how much share has been surrendered by the retiring partner in favor of the remaining partner, that we are going to supposed to consider. That is fine. Lata surrenders 2/3 of her share in favor of Abhishek and the remaining share. The remaining share in favor of Apeksha. Remaining share in the sense, the total share will be 3. The total share will be 3. Out of that, 2/3 is going to be surrendered by Lata in favor of Abhishek. The remaining in the sense 1/3, that is 1/3. 2 plus 1 will be 3. That is fine. Out of 3, 2/3 in favor of Abhishek and remaining means 1/3 in favor of Apeksha. Surrender by Lata to the Abhishek and Apeksha. Abhishek and Apeksha. In favor of Apeksha. Now we are going to consider this share of proportion surrender with respect to the Lata's share. What is Lata's share? 3/8. Okay, 2/3 of 3/8, 1/3 of 3/8. This is how we are going to consider so as to calculate the share acquired. Therefore, share acquired by Abhishek is 2/3 of what is Lata's share? Lata's share is 3/8. 2/3 of 3/8. 2/3 is a surrender proportion and 3/8 will be the old share of the Latha. Old share of Latha. It literally means that 2/3 into 3/8. 2/3 into 3/8. And here both 3 will be cancelled and it remains only 2/8. It remains only 2/8. This is the share acquired by Abhishek from Latha. And likely we are going to calculate share acquired by Apeksha from Latha. The share acquired by Apeksha is remaining means 1/3. 1/3 of what is Lata's share? Lata's share will be 3/8. Lata's share will be 3/8. 1/3 into 3/8. Both 3 will be get cancelled. It remains only 1/8. Now we got share acquired by Abhishek, share acquired by Apeksha from the retiring partner called as the Latha, and old share has been given. Now we have calculated the share acquired. Now it is very simple to calculate the new share of the Abhishek as well as the Apeksha. Therefore, the new share of Abhishek equals to what is the equation? Old share plus share acquired. Old share plus share acquired. Old share is the 1/2 plus share acquired is the 2/8. 2/8, and if we simplify 2/8 and the LHS will be 8. 2 4s are 8, 8 1s are 8. That too 4 plus 2 divided by 8. It becomes 6/8. Likely the new share of Apeksha equals to old share share acquired. What is the old share? 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8. It becomes 2 by 8. Both the denominator will be 8. That is why we can simply add 1 plus 1 will be 2. 2 divided by 8. Hence, the new share of Abhishek and Apeksha is 6 by 8 and 2 by 8. 6 by 8 is to 2 by 8. That is 6 is to 2. If we more simplify, how much you will get? 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Three is to 1. 3 is to 1. This is how we are going to calculate the new share in respect of a retiring partner. Okay, please go through the solution. Okay, thank you.